So here, the servants here, see they are hanging.
See, they're hanging.
These servants are hanging.
Servants are hanging.
Where it says here, 400 servants hung by one another's feet. See?
Yeah.
Right there. Okay. Next page. Page 97.
97.
The fisherman and the Kaha bird.
The fisherman and Kaha.
Looking down, the fisherman could just barely see the river below.
Looking down, the fisherman could just barely see the river below. Why?
What does it mean, the river below?
Because he only sees the river, can't see anything.
Yes, the river, let's see. This is the river. This is him. The river below. Because the river is below him.
Below.
See? The river is below him.
River below.
And barely, like to barely see means
Barely see.
I can see, but not really. Where is it?
Oh, can't see it.
Can't, like, he can, but he cannot. Like, have you ever been in an airplane?
Aeroplane fly on the sky.
Yes. Have you been in an airplane? Have you traveled by airplane?
Yes.
Yes. And you look and you barely see the cars. Like they're a tiny dot.
Tiny dot.
Right?
Yeah.
You look down and you just see doot, 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 doot. And you know that is a car.
And the car.
Barely see it.
Wow.
See, just a little. If he hadn't betrayed the Kaha, he would not be in this predicament.
If he didn't betray the Kaha, he would not be in this predicament.
Ah, very good, very close. Good job. Predicament.
Predicament.
Yes, predicament. It means like bad situation, like to have a problem.
Problem.
To be in a predicament means you have a problem.
A problem.
That makes sense. Like, you go shopping with your friends, right? You go shopping and you spend all of your money.
Many money.
You have a little money, right? And you're hungry, you need to eat, but you need to get home. You need money to go home, but you need money to eat. You have a predicament. Do you eat? Do you go home?
To choose, but you don't want to choose one. Yeah.
Yes, predicament. Like, I do not know what to do. I have a problem. This is bad.
Okay, I know.
So the fisherman is high in the sky, up in the sky. He's in a predicament.